What's going on, guys? It's Brandon back with another YouTube video. Today we are showcasing the KTM, the 250, my baby, the sickest fucking bike out there. I'm gonna let you guys know what I've done to it, what it has done to it, give you a full rundown on the bike. Before we do that, I just want to say, shop Slayco, Halloween tee. It's Halloween today. Shout out Axel Hodges. Link will be in the description below. And yeah, let's get into it. Motor was taken out like 6 hours ago. Has 6 hours on it. Twisted Development did the full build, custom piston, CNC port work to get more airflow. Cam is modified to get more valve lift. I'll insert pictures of the rebuild. Loose clutch and cover here. The entire motor and casing was hydro-blasted to resurface the entire thing. This is usually black here. This is black up top. So all of that is just mainly all the motor work was just taken out to get higher RPMs, which already revs to the moon, and just some more power. So the fuel tank, custom IMS fuel tank. It's a 4-gallon oversized tank made specifically for GNCC racing. The easy top for quick fuel access there. I do have two other tanks, the stock tank and another small like 3-gallon tank that I'll probably maybe put on, depends how I like the look of things. So then the suspension here, full DGS suspension. Pro circuit linkage, this all has probably 13 hours on it. So the rear shock's done, and then up here we do have DGS suspension up front. They're cone valves with coil springs and brand new pro circuit linkage, like I said. Everything's pretty fucking dialed. Made for like 160-pound rider. That's like how much I weigh. So down low here we have Excel A60 wheels with Talon Pro Billet anodized race hubs. These Pro Billet hubs are fucking crazy. You rarely see them on like regular bikes. It's all like pro bikes. With a Dunlop MX33 tire, can't go wrong with those. So the plastics up front, all the Serbi plastics, brand new graphics, and then so we do have the oversized rotor up front, a Serbi disc guards. So coming back here, Renthal 13-tooth sprocket up front we have a 52-tooth blue Renthal out back, a Serbi frame guards. So basically while you're looking at the whole bike, the plastics, brand new Serbi plastics, Washuga Blue limited edition plastics, and then I had Throttle Syndicate completely customized the entire graphics, my number, what I wanted on here. So it looks pretty fucking dope, I think. So super hyped how that came out. And then in the rear, same thing, Talon Pro Billet hubs, MX33 tire, shout out Dunlop. So we do have oversized foot pegs here. The oversized foot pegs are pretty fire. Extra grip, I have bigger feet, so with a boot, definitely helps. Bunch of KTM power parts, like just orange anodized little things. And then up top, we do have, like I said, the factory anodized KTM parts from KTM. Pretty much other than that, Enduro Engineering, brake bark busters, KTM power parts, clutch lever, orange, and then same thing with the front brake. We do have Renthal, dual action fucking crazy bars here. They're blue anodized, Renthal pad. So, I mean, other than that, let's see. Like I said, the plastic, shout out Throttle Syndicate, Travis over there, hooked it the fuck up. Like 3 proofs back and forth, finally got everything down, got them shipped to me super fast. He's the man, shout out Throttle Syndicate. And then other than that, let's see, the exhaust, can't go, last part. Pro Circuit TI4, fully custom header. And it's blue from the heat. It's a titanium pipe, so that looks so sick. Frame guard, like I said, the DGS suspension. Pro Circuit TI tip, titanium carbon fiber. No fucking way. Another one in.
Pull.
Let's fucking go.
Good?
Yep, we're good.
Tell me pull or whenever you're ready.
Pull.